so I showed you guys this hair dryer the other day with my hair curly, but I haven't straightened my hair with it. So I'm going to use this attachment today. The other day I used this one. So let's give this a shot. All right, and I'm going to use this on the highest setting. It has several different wind options and heat settings. So here we go. This is the highest. Let's go. Here. All right, and so I think that should do it. I'm impressed. I had not straightened my hair with this product before. I haven't used anything else on my hair other than some styling cream and the shine. It's got a good amount of shine that's from the negative ions in this hair dryer. And yeah, click the link, check it out for yourself. It's so affordable, you guys.